The administration's senatorial bets under the Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas coalition resumed their campaign activities to woo voters in one of the country's vote-rich provinces. Considered to be a game changer in any election with over 1.67 million registered voters, Pampanga. PTV's Mela Lesmoras tells us more.
3 weeks before the 2025 midterm elections, the campaign activities of the Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas senatorial bets are now in full swing. Earlier today, they joined 4 major local sorties in Pampanga where they were formally endorsed by local officials. Among those who attended were Senators Francis Tolentino, Bong Revilla, Lito Lapid, and Pia Cayetano, former Senators Tito Soto and Manny Pacquiao, Makati City Mayor Abby Binay, former DILG Secretary Benher Abalos, and Representatives Erwin Tulfo and Camille Villar. Former Senator Panfilo Lacson was unable to attend.
Parang feeling ko kahit ano pong hinaharap natin, kaya nating malampasan pag nandyan po kayo. So maraming salamat po sa tiwala at suporta po na ibinibigay niyo po.
For the Alianza candidates, even though pre-election survey results vary, they continue to court voters relentlessly in the hope that all of them will actually win.
Ikot lang, sipag lang. Yun ang importante, sipag at marinig tayo ng taong bayan. Yung plataforma natin, yung hangarin natin na makatulong sa mga mahihirap na tao.
Well, ganun naman talaga ang laban no? In any case, surveys are just surveys. At the end of the day, it is the people who will decide.
The Alianza is also not worried even if some of their rivals are climbing in the surveys. Because for them, the real action will happen after the election.
I'm happy where I'm at right now. Papasalamat na tayo sa mga kababayan natin because from nowhere, actually for several months, naging number 1 tayo. Pero it doesn't matter anymore. Why do we have to gun for top 1, di ba? Ang importante, you will perform in the Senate.
Senator Tolentino meanwhile denied rumors that he wanted to return to PDP Laban. He also insisted that his Instagram account was hacked when a post appeared comparing the current and former presidents.
Hindi ako yun eh. May nanghack sa akin. Ang Instagram ko dormant for the last 1.5 years. Kahit tingnan nyo, hindi na ginagamit. Bigla na lang may nag-open. May nanghack nun.
As of now, the Alianza continues to receive endorsements one after another, to which Alianza campaign manager Toby Chanco is truly thankful for. In the coming days, their campaign rallies will be held in other parts of the country. From PTV, Mela Lesmoras, Balitang Pambansa.